we are going to discuss operation planning, right? So we already discussed many things related to operation planning, right? So what do you mean by operation planning? Anyone? So day-to-day activities, right? For example, to take it as a day-to-day activities of the operations. Day-to-day activities means, for example, if you take this bank, right? You are enter into the customer and left from the bank, right? So bank la irundhu velila varra varaikku vandu pathina starting to end, what are things they are doing? It's a operations, right? That's the operation planning. And also we are saying that department or team join together to achieve a common objective or goal, right? That is an operation planning. Okay, so that's any doubt in the operation planning, right? So three types of plans are there. One is operation planning, another one is strategic planning, and tactical planning. Okay, so three types of plans are there. So three types of plans in the sense, first one operation planning we can discuss. What do you mean by strategy? Yes.
Steps to achieve the goal.
Exactly. So steps to achieve the goal. So team or department, you have to join together. You are going to frame a strategy. In that strategy, we are having vision and mission. So vision is a long-term goal. Mission is a short-term goal, right? That is a strategic plan. Next one is tactical planning. So what do you mean by tactical planning? So tactical means some tactics. For example, you are having a the vision means. So you have to split into that simple objective. For example, now you are having the internal exam, then only you are having semester. Why we are going to conduct 3 internals? It's a tactical. It's a tactics, right? So first internal, you study the 2 units, second internal 2 units, and next 1 unit, right? You covered all the 5 units, finally you are going to write a semester. That is a tactical plan, right? So in that operational planning process, right? We are going to discuss about process of operational planning. So raw materials and finally it will be converted into finished product, right? That's an operation. Suppose if it's an existing product, you can add something. So what is the name? So additional or add-ons, right? What is the term?
Additional or add-ons.
Additional or add-ons, right? We are saying that add-ons. That is the raw materials to finished product, right? So what are the applications of operation planning? Applications. First we are going to purchasing, right? Purchasing, then procurement and exploration. Okay, first you have to purchasing the raw materials. Then it will be converted into that. For example, you have to transport to that R&D, research and development. Then you have to convert to the production, the transfer to the production. Then you can come to the marketing. Then marketing, they have to finally it reach to the customer, right? These are all the applications of operations planning. Any doubt in that operation planning? No. Discuss about applications of operations planning. What are the applications?
Purchase.
Purchasing, procurement, and exploration, right? So what do you mean by exploration? You have to iterate something related to that particular product. Okay, after purchasing, you can come to that R&D. So what is that? Research and development. We are going to design, right? So what is the size? So everything you have to design in that research and development. Then also very important, finance.
Budget.
Exactly, finance or budget. Okay. So finance and budgeting. So finance is the lifeblood of business. So what is the budget we are going to finish the particular product? What is the cost of that particular product? Next, come come to the market. Right. So what they are doing in the marketing department, they have to receive the good, they are going to selling the product to the customer, right? So this is the process of applications of operation plan. So what are the advantages? What are the benefits you will get that operation planning? Why we are doing this operation planning in every organization?
Organizational goal.
To
Achieve organizational goal.
very good, to achieve organizational goal and also improve the efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency and effectiveness. And also you get the clear directional focus, right? What you are going to do. So you can decide in that benefit, right? So clear direction and focus. Then very important, you are going to take a risk as well as decision making, right? Decision making. Okay, and this comes how to manage that risk. How to manage that risk, right? So these are the advantages, right? So same like that, we are having disadvantages also, right? So what are the disadvantages? Very important, rigidity, right? Rigidity means you are facing some constraint, right? We are going to finish the product. So that's only we are going to discuss in the